back here and my wife and I spoke about it and nadamay na rin kami. My children are going to see this. Her children are going to see this. It's irresponsible posting. Don't act on emotion. Think before you speak. Think before you act because the repercussions can be so big. I'm not trying to cause a fight between me, my family, Andy, and Philmar. Nandun ulit ako sa tama at sa mali. Wish Philmar, excuse me for using this term, would have the balls to be a man. Magpakalalaki ka. Ayusin mo ang problema mo sa asawa mo. Unahin mo yan. Tama ka dyan. Pero wag mong bastusin yung tao na tumumulong sa'yo sa lahat ng problema mo. Ipagtanggol mo yung tao. Sabi mo okay na kami. Di ayusin mo. Pakita mo na talaga na okay. Ikaw okay ka na. Diba? Paano si Perna umiiyak? Kasi puro na lang paninira, gigising siya, yan na lang na mababasa niya, hindi siya makalabas ng pamamahay niya. We live in a world of bashers. It's just like people love to bash, get the opportunity to bash. And pwede mo sabihin, if you're mentally strong like me, people can bash me, I don't care. But not everybody is like me. And for me to talk to her every day, and she's crying and crying and crying and crying and crying. Sinabi ko sa kanya, mali yung ginawa mo sa tattoo. Pero naiintindihan ko, it's a cultural difference because she's not from here. But she's willing to accept that and apologize for that because the intent, okay, mali ka, she's wrong, she says she's wrong, she understands that, but the intent was not to hurt Andy, the intent was not to steal her husband, her intent was not to betray Andy. Philmar runs to Pern, it's not Pern running to Philmar. Again, if they have problems in every relationship, we all have problems, even my wife and I have problems, but we don't post it out in public. And I wish, these you bashers, I wish you would take time to understand. You can really destroy someone. And for me, sorry, Andy, what was your intent with all of this? Because right now I'm believing, Andy, your intent was to destroy Pern and hurt Pern. An eye for an eye, kumbaga. Kung nasaktan ka, and I get it, you're hurt. You were wrong. I agree. You were wrong. But not just by Pern. I think Philmar plays a bigger role in that wrong as a man. Because bilang isang lalaki, kung ako nasa sapatos niya at meron akong best friend na babae at sinabihin ako ng best friend ko na babae, magpatato tayo, ganto, ay hindi ko gagawin yun out of respect to my wife kahit na may problema kami. Pambabastos na yun sa asawa ko, di ba? Pilipino tayo eh. And again, I stress, Pern realizes her mistake there, even if it's a cultural difference. She understands that she was wrong and she wanted to talk. She messaged and she reached out. Yes. You also messaged Philmar, siya pa yung naghingi na kay Philmar, please, you need to make a statement about this. Imagine mo, your so-called best friend, siya pa, yung babae pa nag-reach out. Sabi ko, Philmar, para magpaka ng statement, anong sinabi mo? I know, yun lang. And then ang sasabihin mo, pare, is okay na kami. This should all have been handled in private. Sana okay na rin kayo. Wow, inumpisaan nyo to. Tapos biglang ganun na lang. I'm very, very upset, Ochi, because, again, I am mentally strong. She is not. What if she takes her life? She can't handle the bashing. She's a private person. I know her. She is a dear, sweet woman. A woman I can trust with my kid. A woman I can trust with my wife if they go on a girl trip. I know they're not going to do anything crazy. I have a very small circle of friends. She's included in that. And for me, again, hindi kita kaaway, Andy. Hindi kita kaaway, Philmar. Ang inaano ko lang, mali yung ginawa nyo. Andy, you shouldn't have posted and said what you said. You should have handled that in private. Philmar, the problem, you got a tattoo with Pern. That's 80% your fault. And for you not to have the balls to stand up and say, this is all on me. I wronged my wife. Unahin mo asawa mo. I wronged my wife and I wronged my friend. Own it. And then maybe I will have some respect for you. Because I understand Andy, she's wrong. She was wrong. And she acted out of emotion. That's her mistake. And she was very irresponsible because she has a lot of influence. She has a lot of clout on social media. To tell you the truth, I really think Pern, she should sue. She can't go to work. She hasn't been to work. She doesn't feel safe to go outside because maybe the fans of Andy and Philmar will attack her. She's getting messages left and right na siya, pati, I'm one of her best friends, pati ako na yan. They picture. Nadadami. If you read the comments, they're horrible. Na mag-ingat ka, Ellen. And mababasa ng mga anak namin to. Anak nila, if may problema ka within your family, handle it private. Because you are going to look stupid at the end of the day when you put this all out and then the week after you'll post a picture that you're in paradise with your mahal. I mean no disrespect to Andy. I'm just really, really hurt for my friend. And I will stand by. If my friend is wrong, my friend is wrong. And I told her mali nga yung sa tattoo. Mali yun. Sa Pilipinas tayo, mali yun.